Hey guys, Mo Farmer, I'm back with another project. So, back on the 2013 Durango, we're going to be doing front pads and rotors. And I'll show you how to change them out. Okay, so first thing we're doing is one of the first things you got to do is remove this clip off the front. It keeps that pad secure, keeps everything tight over here on the front. So you just remove that with a screwdriver. The second thing you're going to do is remove these caps off the back end. They keep the water out of the Allen keys. These are Allen keys actually, by the way, in here. So it's almost like doing brakes on a Jeep, realistically. The setup is about the same. Same with taking the radiator out, same with doing all this. So I'm compressing this caliper right now. That's one thing I forgot to buy from Harbor Freight. Another C-clamp. Alright. I'll probably have to compress it a little more once I get it off, but for right now, it's going to be loose enough that we can do this. Let's see. First thing I'm going to do is so, as you can see, this doesn't look like it was lubricated very well. I'm going to clean this up and throw my favorite anti-seize on it. And it's a 10mm. As you can see, I had nothing on the pads. tricks I learned from being a mechanic over time. When sometimes things get stuck like that, if you hit the air gun a couple of times, it's almost like a hammer in it, and then it kind of breaks loose. Alright, that wasn't going to come out. I thought it'd be my lucky day, but it's not. See if I'll get the trick. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Does this have that? This has that infamous rubber deal on it. Well, hopefully the new stuff comes with an O-ring, otherwise. Let's double check that now. Well, guys, I had to make a quick run to the parts store, and they don't have this. They don't have this O-ring that's supposed to go here. So I'm gonna look online and see if I can get it, because it's just an O-ring that's supposed to hold the rotor there. But either way, I mean, the wheel will hold it up against, and you'll have that. So I feel like there were supposed to be clips on this, but they didn't give me any hardware. It's new stuff. So anyway. What we can do is we'll use one of the lug nuts, hold the wheel. I mean, hold the rotor. Hold the rotor on, and now we'll be able to zip these on. Alright, now we'll put the brake pads on. I'll get my favorite anti-seize. Having a tough time getting these pieces back in. Okay. I bent them in a little bit so it helps. The other things I'm forgetting are this. Let's see. I got this here. Alright, let's see. I'm going to clean this up on the wire wheel. Alright, so you guys are aware I squeezed in the little brackets that fit inside the brake caliper and got this here. I put a little anti-seize there. So now I cleaned these up here. I'm going to add some anti-seize to this. Put the caliper back on. Right. That one in. Okay. Get the bottom one in. Alright. Got those going. Don't forget the right here, they give you a new one of this. This has got to go on the outside of it. Kind of know the drill. So that's pretty much it, guys. There was nothing left, I mean, other than what I just did on that side. So please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. I hope that helps. That's front pads and rotors on the passenger side. Driver's side would be the same exact thing. Just repeat what I did on the passenger side on the driver's side. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys.